So I'm pretty sure it's like October 20th. It's end of sugar beet season for me. As you can see, it's been pouring down rain all day. The tractors are not moving. The fields are too muddy. We've only got about 40 acres left, but I'm cutting out of here because it'll take 3-4 days for that stuff to dry for us to start working again, and it's just not worth it. But anyhow, I wanted to show you guys some highlights of sugar beet harvest 2025. Enjoy. Well, it's October 1st, 2025. Sugar beet harvest is officially started. Do you feel the beat? Me too. Let's keep these trucks rolling and hope everybody stays safe. So this is where they're starting the pile. See how small that pile is? Wait till the end of the season. It's going to be a lot bigger than you think. Now, is that any way to start the season? Getting stuck in the mud? Come on, buddy. Keep it together. Check that guy out. He's up on top of those beets with his little dune buggy.